Okay, I don't know what happened in my first video, but I had to go to my phone. So, we are just going to switch this like this, so you can't see who it is, and show you the other outfit that she comes with before I show her to you. And it's a little gray onesie. Little white pants. And a green hearts jacket. Here's her feet. The other foot. And let's see, can I get her out? Yeah. And her hands. And y'all ready? Everybody say hello to Miss Polly. Now, there's a little story behind Polly. As you know, I have Molly and Holly, and now I have Polly. Somebody had gotten into my eBay account and bid on a bunch of things, and I won this one that they bid on, and I had to pay for her. And we got all the other bids taken care of, so now I have triplets instead of twins. Bye!